Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this DeLonghi Magnifica, and what it came in for is that the ground container was always on right when you turn up the machine. And when I went in there to look at the brew unit was quite dirty to the point where it wouldn't even push down when the transmission tried to pull it down. So ground coffee would grind and it would just fall over and the machine would want to clean it. So we did a tune-up on this machine, completely cleaned it out, and now it should be working. So we're going to do a test double shot. We're using our test coffee for this. So you hear the brew unit go through. It's getting ready to grind. And it's starting to grind. Now right here is usually when all the coffee will be in the inside. But it pushed down on it. Now it's going to brew the coffee. As you can see, coming out well. We are going to check the insides just to show you that it is clean on the inside also. And that no ground coffee dropped. Beautiful cup of coffee. Now it's going back into its normal position. As you can see, it is now pushed all the way through. Before it wouldn't be able to do that. And we should have normal coffee pucks in here, if you could see. Now we're going to test the rest of the machine. We're going to first test the hot water. As you can see, working really well. Then we're going to test the steam function. It's going to shoot water for a little bit, but then it's going to start pumping steam. So again, it's going to push water, and now there's your steam. Beautiful steam. And that's about it for this repair. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.